Hey everyone, here's a review of my Triumph Bonneville, a classic British motorcycle with a vintage appeal, yet a modern edge. I hope you enjoy. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Zach Ross, and this is the Triumph Bonneville. Stay tuned, I'm gonna do a review. So let's take a walk around the bike. So if you can see its profile, it has a very vintage, historic British look to it, more of a military style, with all the kind of modern amenities that you would have in a newer bike. Beautiful exhaust right there. Although it displays carburetors, this is a fuel injected bike. One of the things interesting about this, I don't know if pro or con, is the gas cap does not have a lock. So that kind of bothers me sometimes, but nevertheless, these are disc brakes. Very nice, good supportive brakes. And just overall, a great bike. Very comfortable to ride. I'm gonna take you on a spin with me here in a second so you can hear what she sounds like. She's 853 cc. This is just enough to be a great cruiser without overdoing it with too much power on here and too much speed. Probably gonna do a few mods. Might switch out the seat, do sort of a saddle brown. Probably do the same with the handlebars, and I may even do the trim of the rim and some brown, just kind of give it that vintage saddle brown look to it. So let's take her for a spin. Let's see what she can do. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. All right guys, about to start up the Triumph, take it for a ride, show you how it rides. It rides beautifully, I could tell you, but just kind of give you some illustration. It's very comfortable, sits well, 17-inch rims, which, you know, they've downgraded from the 19, which gives it a little bit more, less bounce, more stability. So let's get it cranked up and get this thing started. Get the gloves going. Try to be as safe as much as possible, but I know without a helmet here in Illinois, I think we're only one of 3 states that allow you to ride without a helmet, but so be it. Let's take for a ride. All right. right, so let's get her started. A little cold here in Chicago, so put the choke on for a little bit, get her warmed up. Sound. That's the real sound of the Triumph there. So let's keep it going. Like I say, great pickup, good acceleration, very stable bike, handle itself well. Not too big of a bike, so it doesn't feel heavy like a hog, and not too light. Doesn't feel really, that much like a sport bike. But to me, it's just a perfect kind of blend between weight distribution, comfort. I mean, the positioning on this bike. I know I've seen some guys with the flat handlebars. I particularly don't like that. That's a little bit uncomfortable for me, but I have kind of your normal style handlebars that give you some elevation when you ride. So take it up to second. It's about as enough as you need, not trying to kill yourself, I think personally the Brits have the best blend of style, design, and engineering that you're going to find if you're looking for vintage bikes. And the Triumph still gives you sort of a modern edge. Nice clean lines and curves. Got your swooping exhaust on the side. It pretty much takes up the body length of the bike. Give a quick sort of walk around on it. So you've seen it perform, you know. So this is the Triumph Bonneville. Excellent piece of design, style, machinery with a historic vintage military look. And I think this, probably the Royal Enfield, which is another British bike, just really has the best blend of kind of everything that makes this type of bike look, this style of bike look great. Choke on the side right there. Good foot rails. And I got the British badge right there. So, once again, guys, this is the Triumph Bonneville. All right, everyone, this was my review of the Triumph Bonneville, a classic, yet very modern motorcycle. Fantastic if you're looking for a particular type of vintage with a modern styling. Very good suspension, 853 cc's. So I got some more videos coming up, turning around in these things. So check out, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. And once again, thanks for joining. This is Men's Lifestyle with ZACK. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with ZACK Ross.